Hello friends, welcome back to the iShare channel. Today we will learn how to remove screen lock from iPhone. Several easy methods are shared here. Method 1. Turn off the screen lock from iPhone with password. It is the easiest way when you remember the screen lock password. Tap Settings. Tap Face ID and Passcode. Then enter your passcode. OK, tap Turn Passcode Off option. Tap Turn Off to confirm. You need to enter the passcode again. The iPhone is without a screen lock now. Method to remove iPhone lock screen password with iPhone Passcode Genius. If you forgot the iPhone screen lock passcode and want to unlock the iPhone, iShare iPhone Passcode Genius is the best choice to remove the iPhone lock screen without a password. After the download and installation, just open it on your computer. Select the Unlock Lock screen to start. Click the Start button. And then get your locked iPhone connected to your computer. Make sure your iPhone is in recovery mode. OK, the computer just recognizes the locked iPhone. So here, just simply confirm the device information and allow it to download an appropriate iOS firmware for the iPhone. When the download is finished, click the Unlock button to proceed. So now, as you can see, there's a loading bar. When it finishes, the iPhone will be totally unlocked. Just like this, you see, no more passcode is required. Just swipe up and go through the setup, and now the iPhone can be used again. Method 3. Disable screen lock in iPhone with iTunes. Find My iPhone should be disabled before you use iTunes to reset iPhone. Just connect your iPhone to the computer and make it enter recovery mode. If you are using iPhone 12, just like I do, press the volume up button, press the volume down button, then keep pressing the power button until it shows the restore screen. Open iTunes on your computer. You got the prompt to ask you update or restore the iPhone. Click Restore. Click Restore and Update to confirm. OK, agree the terms. Well, iTunes is downloading the firmware package and restoring the iPhone to factory settings. Well done, your iPhone has been restored to factory settings. it restarts on the hello screen. That is to say, the iPhone screen lock is successfully removed. Method for remove the iPhone lock screen without computer when forgot passcode. On the iPhone lock screen, tap the Forgot Passcode option on the lower right corner. Then tap Start iPhone Reset. OK, enter the linked Apple password. Tap Erase iPhone. And your iPhone will be erased.